Welcome to this new episode of CNN API Group. In this episode, I am going to discuss a very important topic as part of our channel's COVID-19 series, that how Indians, especially rural and traditional Indians, had been not only well aware about the concept of commonly used COVID-19 popular and typical key terms like lockdown, quarantine, social distancing, isolation, and sanitization, but are still practicing the thousands of years age-old ancient Indian Vedic practices and social laws. Friends, interestingly, these Vedic practices and socio-religiously traditional laws were not to be followed by people just voluntarily, but those were well established, socio-religiously and traditionally sanctioned and secured with the absolutely defined and described legal and penal provisions and punishments for the violators and violations, along with certain exemptions under control and command of Vedic and later Vedic scriptures, rule books, code and manuals like Vyas Samhita, Yagyavalkya Samhita, Manusmriti and so on, supported by Puranas like Garud Purana and others, Dharma Shastras, holy scriptures and compositions. Friends, here you must pinpoint the unique fact that these Vedic practices were almost like the COVID-19 lockdowns in every country under the certain rules, laws and regulations of the concerned nations. In India, it has been primarily under the 1897 Epidemic Act and 2005 Disaster Management Act. The ancient Indian practices are Panchak, Sutak, Prithakvas, Ekantavas, Suddhikaran and Vejas, which are almost equivalent to COVID-19 commonly used key terms like lockdown, quarantine, social distancing, isolation, sanitization or sanitizers and medication. My dear friends, you must know that these all words are from Sanskrit background. I begin with Panchak. It is also called locally as Pachakaj or Bhadva, etc. According to Vedic astrology and Hindu Panchang, means Hindu calendar, Panchak signifies a group of 5 having 5 as central theme. It prevails every month for 5 days, classified into 5 types on the basis of mostly 5 days it is commencing on, locking down almost all the auspicious activities, ceremonies, events, works, covering widely the 5 major areas, exempting some unavoidable, important, urgent and routine ones, with a bold and precautionary message that violators and violations would meet the unauspicious results for straight 5 consecutive times. It is said if someone dies during Panchak, there would be 5 deaths in sequence in the family, extended family, locality or the area, depending on the types of Panchak, though there are some remedies too. Panchak occurs when moon positioned in Aquarius and Pisces zodiac signs, representing planets Saturn and Jupiter, measuring the longitude between 296 degree and 360 degree in sidereal calculation. As per the Indian astronomy and astrology, when moon transits through the last 5 star constellations or nakshatras out of total 27, namely Dhanistha, Sattvisha, Purva Bhadrapad, Uttara Bhadrapad, and Revati on the zodiac belt. Friends, here I do seek your kind attention to this interesting and unique fact that Panchak is of 5 types with clear do's and don'ts almost exactly like COVID-19 lockdowns, red zone, orange zone and green zone. 5 kinds of Panchak are as following. Rog Panchak signifying disease etc. which begins from Sunday. Raj or Nip Panchak, Raj Panchak or Nip Panchak signifying government, ruler and governmental work begins from Monday. Agni Panchak signifying fire begins from Tuesday. Mrityu Panchak signifying death begins from Saturday. Chor Panchak signifying theft begins from Friday, Wednesday or Thursday. Friends, out of these 5 Panchak, Raj Panchak is like COVID-19 lockdowns green zone with minimum restrictions. Agni Panchak is like orange zone with more stringent restrictions and provisions, whereas Mrityu and Chor Panchak are almost like red zone with most stringent lockdowns, provisions, restrictions and provisions. Friends, rest of this topic and subject is to be concluded in our next episode. If you like this video, please share and subscribe it.